Hello everyone, today I will show you how to pair your AirPods with the MetaQuest 3 headset. First, prepare your AirPods. Place them in their charging case and leave the lid open. On the back of the case, you will see a small button. Press and hold this button until the status light on the front starts flashing white. This indicates that your AirPods are in pairing mode and ready to connect to another device. Next, access your Quest 3 settings. Put on your headset and turn it on. You will see the universal menu in front of you. From this menu, select the Quick Settings panel. In the Quick Settings panel, select the Settings option, which looks like a gear icon. From there, choose Devices. Inside the Devices menu, you will find Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth settings. Make sure the toggle for Bluetooth is turned on. Now, pair your AirPods. With Bluetooth on, select the option that says Pair New Device. From the list that appears, find your AirPods and select them. You have now successfully paired your AirPods with the MetaQuest 3 headset. Thanks for watching.